Today, I want to honor a figure who played a pivotal role in shaping parliamentary democracy in southern Africa, Issa Chivia. A name perhaps not familiar to all, but his impact resonates through the halls of governance across an entire region. Issa Chivia, the former Secretary General of the Southern African Development Community Parliamentary Forum, or SADC PF, passed away recently in Windhoek, Namibia. His tenure, which spanned a decade from 2009 to 2019, was marked by relentless dedication and visionary leadership. But what exactly did Chivia do? Why should we, as followers of political dynamics, care about his contributions? Well, under his guidance, the SADC PF adopted the benchmarks for democratic legislatures. This wasn't just a document, it was a blueprint that laid out essential principles for transparency, accountability, and inclusivity in legislative processes. By promoting these benchmarks, Chivia wasn't just improving a system, he was building the foundation for stronger, more democratic institutions in southern Africa. His efforts didn't go unnoticed. The Speaker of Namibia's National Assembly, Peter Katjavivi, reflected on Chivia's legacy, describing him as a dedicated professional who greatly assisted in the vision for transforming the SADC PF into a regional parliament. This transformation is crucial because it strives towards a more unified approach to governance in the region, enhancing cooperation and development. The loss of Issa Chivia is felt deeply. A minute of silence was observed in his memory, a solemn nod to his profound influence. It's a reminder that the work of one committed individual can indeed echo through the lives of many. Today, as we remember Issa Chivia, let's not only reflect on his past contributions, but also on the future paths he has paved for parliamentary excellence in southern Africa. His legacy is a beacon for all those striving to foster democracy and governance, not just in Africa, but around the world. Thank you for joining me today to remember and celebrate the life of a true pioneer of democracy, Issa Chivia. May his soul rest in perfect peace, and may his ideals continue to inspire.